So we have lined up three practicals for the day. First is Kankshi Shodhan, Kankshi, that is Phatika or Phatakdi or Elam in English, and then Godanti Shodhan and Godanti Basma. They are very easily available material, but very much useful for various purposes. So hopefully you will guys learn about all these three, and it will be beneficial to all of you forever. Today's class will be taken by Vijay sir. So over to you, Vijay sir.
Hello friends, good morning. Today we will learn three practicals. First is Spatika Shodhan, Spatika or Kankshi. Second is Godanti Shodhan, and third one is Godanti Bhasma. Godanti Bhasma is a group practical. Now we will start Kankshi Shodhan. Spatika is a mineral drug of Cuprous group. It is identified as a potash alum in English. The chemical formula is K2SO4Al2SO4 thrice 24H2O. Now, most important, the main source of alum as a mineral as a Saurashtra. Alum is a white crystalline solid having an astringent taste. It is readily soluble in water. Its solution in water is acidic. On further heating, the water of crystallizations evaporates and it swells. Now we will start a karma and uses. Karma, wish dosh. It mitigates a wish dosh in the body. Cassia, it nourishes a hair roots and hair and also useful in Grahi, Lekhan and Kusht. Uses Visharp, it jaundice us will be beneficial to cure sharp and kandu. Vran is a good healer of wounds. Netra, it is a useful in all type of eye disease. Svitra Rog, it cures a Svitra Rog and Tridosh Nashak. M. To purify Kankshi. Reference Ayurved Prakash, chapter number 2, slok number 258. Principle उत्फुल्लीकरण न दृष्ट शास्त्रत्र लोका वहने उत्फुल्लयन्ति हि according to Ayurved Prakash. Procedure: take a Ashuddha Sphatika and convert into coarse powder. Take the Sphatika on a Dansharav and kept on a fire. Bubbles start to come up. Then less bubbles come up during the heating and Sphatika becomes spongy. Obtain a Shuddha Sphatika. શું કરશું? અશુદ્ધ સ્ફટિકા લેશું અને એને કન્વર્ટ કરશું પાવડર ફોર્મમાં. ત્યારબાદ એક શરાવ લેશું અને તેમાં જે આપણે પાવડર ફોર્મમાં સ્ફટિકા કરી છે એને શરાવમાં નાખશું અને એને ફાયર દેશું. થોડી વાર થશે એટલે બબલ્સ આવવાના સ્ટાર્ટ થઈ જશે. ત્યારબાદ આપણે જોઈ શકીએ છીએ, ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ તો પતાસા જેવો શેપ થઈ જશે. ફોટોસમાં તમે જોઈ શકો છો. લાસ્ટમાં આપણે જે મળે તે શુદ્ધ સ્ફટિકા. Observations: bubbles are come up during a heating. Some particles are floated at upper surface of bubble. The water portion is evaporated in the form of whitish smoke. It becomes swell up, lightweight, brittled and white color. Confirmative test: all watery portions are evaporated in sphatica. It becomes soft and brittle. Precautions: heat on a mild fire should be given. Organoleptic test: स्पर्श रफ, रूप white, रस कटु कषाय. गुण स्निग्ध, वीर्य उष्ण, विपाक कटु. डोज 2 to 4 रति. अनुपान sugar, water. Formulations: शंख द्राव, एलादी मंथ, श्वेत परपटी. Now we will start a Godanti Shodhan. Godanti is the mineral drug of Sudha Varg. I repeat, Godanti is the mineral drug of Sudha Varg. Godanti is also known as gypsum. Gypsum is a very soft sulfate mineral composed of calcium sulfate dihydride. Chemical formula is CaSO4 into 2H2O. Now see the picture Godanti. Grahya Lakshan. Godanti is a mineral drug with many adjacent shiny layers. The drugs will have a white and lustrous radiance like the moon of Sharad Rutu. कर्म पित्त शामक बल्य. Uses अग्निमांद्य, जीर्णज्वर, प्रदर, शिरोशूल, कास, क्षय and पांडु. M. To do Godanti Shodhan. Reference Rastarangani, chapter number 11, shlok number 239. Principal Svedan. गोदन्तं निम्बूनिरेण द्रोणपुष्पे रसेन वा यामादेव सुस्विन्नं विशुद्धयति न संशयः. Method of preparation: Ashuddha Godanti is taken and Ashuddha Godanti kept in cotton cloth and make a potli. This prepared a potli is suspended in a dolayantra containing a limbu soras. Dolayantra is kept on a fire for Svedan 1.5 yam. After Svedan, the process, a potli of Godanti is removed from the dolayantra, collected it from the potli and washed with hot water. શું કરશું? અશુદ્ધ ગોદંતી લેશું, લીંબુ સરસ લેશું. ત્યારબાદ ગોદંતીને પોટલીમાં બાંધી અને દોલાયંત્ર વિધિથી પ્રોસીજર કરશું. પોટલી બાંધી તપેલીમાં રાખી અને એમાં લીંબુ સરસ એડ કરશું. ત્યારબાદ એને 1.5 અવર સુધી આપણે ફાયર કરશું. હાફ અવર સુધી સ્વેદન કર્યા બાદ તેને હોટ વોટરથી આપણે વોશ કરી લેશું અને પછી વેઇટ કરશું. ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન: transparent and clear Godanti is obtained. Precaution: sufficient quantity of Nimbu Sora should be taken. Pottery should not touch the bottom area. Organoleptic test: Sparsh, Slakshan, Roop, transparent, Virya, Sith, Dose, 4 Rati, Anupan, Shahad, Grid, Godukt. Shahad means honey. Formulations: Godanti Bhasma, Trilokya Chintamani Ras, Muktadi Vati. The third practical is Godanti Bhasma. Karma, Dipan, Kasahar, Jwaragna uses Agnimandya, Sirashul, Pittajjwar, Kas, Swat, Kshay, Pandurog. Aim: to prepare a Godanti Bhasma. Reference: Rastarangini, chapter number 11, slok number 240. Principle: Maran. Method of Maran: Sharav Shamputatam stha Godantah Suvishodhitam Hiyate Putitam Bhasma Jayate Shashi Sundaram, according to Rastarangini. Method of Maran: the Shodhit Godanti is placed in Sharav Samput and subjected to Gajput. The color of the Bhasma will be white. In some parts of the country, Bhavna with Kumari Soras is done before subjecting to another put. શોધિત ગોદંતી લેશું, તેનું ચૂર્ણ કરશું, ત્યારબાદ કુમારી સ્વરસની ભાવના દેશું. કુમારી સ્વરસની ભાવના આપ્યા પછી તેની ચક્રિકા બનાવી અને એને શરાવ સંપુટ કરી અને પૂટ દેશું. પૂટ ત્યાં સુધી દેશું જ્યાં સુધી ભસ્મ પરીક્ષા આવી ન જાય. ઇન્ગ્રેડિયન્ટ્સ: શુદ્ધ ગોદંતી, કુમારી સોરસ ફોર ભાવના. શુદ્ધ ગોદંતી, chakrika. Preparing a chakrika by triturating Godanti churna with Kumari Soras. Multani mitti for Sandhi Bandhan. Putting the chakrikas in Sharav Shamput. Placing the Sharav in an EMF and subjecting it for a Gajput. Obtain a Shuddha Godanti. Observation: the color of Bhasma is white and soft to touch. Confirmative test: Bhasma Pariksha like Rekhapurnatva, Sukshmatva, Slakshanatva, Dantagre, Kachkacha Bhav. Precaution: chakrika should be made in a uniform size and shape. Gun: Shit, Virya, Shit, Dose, 1 to 3 Rati. Anupan: Shahad, Grid, Sharkara. Organoleptic test: Sparsh, Sukshma, Rudu, Roop, White. Formulations: त्रैलोक्य चिंतामणि रस, मुक्तादि वटी, बाल पंचा पंचभद्र रस.
So, friends, these two medicines like Kankshi and Godanti, they are very easily available in our area. Still, they are very, very useful. So, you should understand and learn this practical. It can be pretty much useful when you go in the practice. Even if you go for so-called general practice, still it will be very much useful. For example, Godanti Bhasma, 500 milligram of Godanti Bhasma is as good as paracetamol. You can control fever very easily. In your age group, when pitta is high, many of you might have observed problem like having severe headache or migrainous pain. So in this migraine pain, Godanti Bhasma along with Avipati Churna is boon. In worst cases, when pain is grade 4, you need to add Suvarna Suchekhar Ras, but for grade 1, grade 2, only Godanti Bhasma is very, very effective. One can control migraine very effectively. We have, I mean, given this prescription in many of the patients successfully. Likewise, Kankshi is again a wonderful drug. Kankshi can be used many ways. Here, I would like to draw your attention about this Muktadi Vati. Baba Ramdev ji and Patanjali, they have launched, initially they launched one Mukta Vati, if you know, for blood pressure and cardiac disorder. That's how they got more popular. So this Muktadi Vati contains Godanti Bhasma. For the Kangshi, this Shwet Parpati, I have repeatedly explained in classes, in online and offline both classes, that it is a wonderful drug for correcting all the urinary tract disorders. It is a wonderful diuretic. Likewise, for bleeding gums, we can use Kangshi Bhasma for local application. Our OPD is popular for Dashan Sanskar Churna as well in Shalakya Tantra. This Dashan Sanskar Churna also contains Kangshi. If you have any doubts, then you can ask me. One important point here I would like to make you clear that whenever we prepare Bhasma of any Sudhavarga Dravya, which contains calcium, then Bhasma Pariksha will be somewhat different. Understand this. Whenever there is calcium, whenever there is no metal, we don't need to go for apunarbhavatva or nirutha pariksha. Apunarbhavatva and nirutha pariksha are for the contains where we have metals. Likewise, when there is calcium as an ingredient, it is sometimes the bhasma will not be varitar as well. So varitar, unam, apunarbhavatva and nirut, these four bhasma pariksha are mainly for metallic preparation. They are not for calcium containing products. However, it should have rekha purnatva, sukshmatva, slakshnatva and dantagre kachkacha bhav. That means whenever you put on teeth, it should not make any sound. There is one interesting term used in the shloka, if you remember. It says it looks like moon. It should be white like moon. Shashi Sundaram. Shashi, that is full moon. So Shashi Sundaram is the Bhasma Pariksha for Godanti Bhasma. So this is it for my side. If you have any doubts, you can ask me your questions.